Hi, welcome back to my channel. I Can Sew. I'm Kendra, and I'm here to show you Simplicity 8636. Let me show you this. Can you see it? There are 11 pieces in this pattern. They have, my air conditioner just kicked in. At least my co-hosts are not joining us. It has 11 pieces, which 10 of which you would use if you're going to make the shirt, or 10 that you would use to make the dress. So the difference is the sleeves. So the shirt has longer sleeves than this. So let's get started on me discussing this piece. First off, I made this dress because it looks so comfortable on her, right? It's comfortable, it's cute, it's feminine. And I felt like, especially in today's time where we have Corona out and about, and some of us have gained more weight because we're working from home remotely, that this will be the perfect dress so that I can throw it on and go forth and wear it when I'm in my healthiest state or when I'm in my unhealthy state, and it doesn't matter. So I made this dress here. Let me read to you the fabric types that this dress requires, and then we'll talk about my fabric type, and we'll go about over my opinion of this dress, which I think some of you are going to find interesting. The fabric types: lightweight to medium weight fabrics with drape, such as chambray, cotton lawn, crepe de chine, gauze, lightweight linen types, lightweight sateen, silky types, and voile, VOILE. I don't know. Extra fabric is needed to match plaids, stripes, or one-way design. Luckily, this dress does have stripes in it, but I did not have to match the stripes. This material was a godsend in that area where it folded over very nicely. I don't know what this material is, except for I think it's some form of cotton. It has a gauzy-like material to it as well. Let me say this. It feels like a hospital gown. It is a hospital gown. I made a fancy hospital gown, or I made what I consider my mom's old school Easter house dress. If I had a zipper long enough, I would have cut this down the middle and put a zipper in it. So let me give you the full look of this dress, and then we'll talk more. Not bad, right? This dress was super easy to make. It is just for me the material, and maybe it's not really my body type. I think I needed to be a little slimmer up top. Um, Want to alter the sleeves. The sleeves don't do it for me, but I wanted to show you up close. Let me see if I can get a better view for you here. Let's see. Up close, there is elastic around the neckline in the back and in the front, but not necessarily on the sides here. They did really well at doing this kind of four-piece yoke thing, and I really like that. It's very comfortable. The front part here is gathered all the way around. It's a lot of gathering on this dress, you guys. The skirt, of course, has a lot of gathering all the way around in order to make the ruffle. Let me show you the ruffle again. It's a lot of gathering. The good thing about it is, and I never thought about this before, is that it's made into four pieces. So what they did was they had four rectangle pieces. We had to, sew them all around to make one complete circle. But when you did your gathering, you did not gather from one end of the circle to the other end. You actually gather only between the seams. That made it a lot easier, and that's a technique that I'm going to use in the future. I'm not going to spend time trying to gather all the way through. It was a lot of work, and it was a lot more manageable doing it this way. The instructions I found to be very easy, and sometimes I'm a little instruction challenged. So I do think that you would find the instructions to be easy for you. I'm trying to think what I found confusing. Nothing. But another thing that I did is on the inside, my fabric on the outside, I'm going to show you a sample piece. My fabric on the outside and on the inside are the same color. See, it's the same, it's the exact same on each side. So for me, what I did was I took some painter tape and I taped all of the the right side, so that I would know exactly how it was sewn and would not mess it up, because you know that is important. So again, to me, I showed you the fabric up close. To me, I should not have made this in that fabric. This would have been a beautiful, just regular button down um, shirt, kind of like my last video, but not in this material here. This made it look like a hospital gown, made it look like a house coat. Again, if I were you, I would make it. I might make it again. Maybe I'll make it again if I want something I can just make really quickly and throw on. Again, let me give you a final look of this dress. So if you are into dresses that don't necessarily have a shape to them, but they're going to but still come across as very feminine looking, and you can throw them on. I have them on with some espadrille wedges, but you can throw them on with sandals, heels, sneakers. A cute little pair of Keds or white Adidas would look really cute with this, with my particular color. But I'm just saying you could dress it up or dress it down. Now, if you're not into short dresses and you have a problem with showing too much above your thighs, then you might want to consider making this dress a little longer. I did see someone who made this dress as a maxi. I would totally feel like I was walking around in a umbrella case, but that's just me. But it's all up to you on how you want to make it. Again, you can make this dress. I can see so many options with this. But if you choose the multiple options, like making it a long dress, a short dress, a crop top, a high-low type top, because all of this is really cute to be something flowy, just consider never, and I mean ever, using the fabric that I use. It will throw the whole outfit off. It will make me feel some kind of way. And I will say that one thing I am happy about is that I made this video a couple of days after I sold the garment. Because when I first sold it, I was like, no way, I absolutely hate this. I'm never wearing it out. I probably still won't wear it out, but I like it a little bit better. I might wear it as my nightgown, because it is very flowy. It's a thin material, so yeah. I would recommend that you go on Instagram and type in S as in simplicity 8636, and you will see plenty of examples of where this dress went right. Anyhow, thank you so much for checking out my video. I am Kendra. This is I Can Sew. I'm gonna come to you next with a video on how to make a wallet. I think we'll see. I know people really like my tutorials, and I think you like my tutorials because I'm a beginner, showing you how to that a beginner can make it. Not necessarily that you are following me as a beginner, because that is the blind leading the blind. But one day we will get a lot better. And check this out. I remember my lipstick this time. Have a good day, everybody, and thank you again.